right, welcome back to Mohawk-Garage. We got a little impromptu ride today. We're gonna head out to Pioneer Saloon. I just floated the idea online and it looks like I got about 15 buggies showing up so far, and we got at least 3 more coming. So yeah, we're gonna hit the road, head out to Pioneer, have some fun.
I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. Yo, it's your boy Dreadbone. Got to load up the cooler and roll up the cone. Take them both out to the backside of the backwoods. I'm living life different, no more creeping through the crack. Now I'm back in the sticks is where I get my fix. Yeah, working for a living instead of out busting licks. Yeah, life much better now. Got a little cheddar now. Got a wife and kids, yeah, I got my shit together now. Sometimes shit still gets me down, and all the demons start coming around. That's when I like to get way out of town. Find a good song and turn up the sound. Yeah, light up that cone and start burning it down. Feel like the king of the country, so pour me some crown. And don't come looking if I ain't trying to be found. But if you insist, you better bring a coon hound. Cause I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. Take me to the road, leave the world behind, cause I'ma feel a little better in the oaks and pines. Representing for the country, yeah, we hold it down. Lay back with that shine that we smoking out. I just wanna get low, get away from real life, live like we should, keep it real all good, hold it down for the band. Yeah, at the mud part, not giving a damn. Yeah, I just wanna hit a back road. I just wanna have a damn good time. I just wanna get home, get in the woods and maybe lose my mind. Getting loose, going down, that's how we roll. Dreadbone, Bobby Cobb, Billy Kid and Pope. When the work week's over, headed straight out the door. Got that ice chest full and we ready to go. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. Yeah, I just wanna leave the world behind. Drink a little hooch, clear my mind. And there ain't no telling what the fuck I'm gonna find. But it always seems to lead to a really good time. When I'm out on the trails, smoking on the kind, drinking cold beer and losing track of time. I can do it alone or I can do it with friends. You can bet your sweet ass I'm gonna do it again. Cause there ain't nothing quite like getting off-road. Out in the backwoods and try to lighten the load. Yeah, out in the country, way out in the back. It ain't where I'm from, but it's where I'm at. Yeah, I grew up in the city, raw, quick and gritty, all the traffic and crime. It'll get you feeling shitty. City sucks, yeah, like what you do on the titty. Yeah, the country's where it's at, so help me sing this little ditty. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good. I just wanna get off-road. I just wanna get back in the woods. I just wanna leave the world behind, back in the place that makes me feel so good.
See it on the radio.
Watch that dip.
we stand.
Stay left at the poof. Stay left at the poof.
I got my goals set, so don't you run up. It could get ugly. Think I need a wingman. I'm straight from California, smelling like a weed man.
Oh, that was gnarly.
So go and take a hit, dip, drip, one sip from the fifth. I ain't seen.
I'm feeling real fucking good, like an off-road rider should. If you come looking for me, please don't bring that drama to the woods. I ain't bout no bad juju, I ain't bout no bad vibe, but I'm bout good music, good friends, bout to ride. I'm in a great fucking mood, like you know I always am. When I'm out here on these trails, not giving a damn. I got my lady by my side, I got the cooler in the back. I got the speakers turned up and feeling way laid back. I'm feeling.
Like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby. We might have took the long way, but at least you know we'll get there someday. Can't believe I remembered all.
In my side by side, I got the coolest mood all the way up, so you know we bout to motherfucking ride, I'm feeling laid back, in my side by side, I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we bout to
to party outside. If they told you we don't really do this shit, they fucking lie. Sometimes you gotta leave the fucking world behind. Get way back in this mix and find some peace of mind. Yeah, drink some fucking brews, smoke a blunt or two, and take it all in, cause it's what we came to do. And I ain't fucking saying that we don't be getting hype, but right now I'm fucking chillin' and it feels alright. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the beautiful all the way up, so you know we got to motherfucking ride, I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we got to motherfucking ride, I'm feeling laid back, so you know we got to motherfucking ride, I got the music turned all the way up, and you know I got that good drink in my cup. I mean, what can I say? My life is okay, so thank you God for another beautiful day. And when I'm out here on these trails, I be soaking it in. Might catch me riding past you with a big fucking grin, cause when I'm out here four-wheeling, it's my own way of healing. Yeah, so motherfucking real, I love the way that I feel.
Get under 10 miles an hour, it'll shift out.
That's a new.
Or all the way to the stop. Of course.
That's fucking sweet.
Yeah, it's so cool.
So freaking awesome. Both those trucks, man. Here's the thing where you're able to come out. I can't remember what dates it was.
All the other vehicles back there too.
But I sent it to you, so he's in there. Someone's in there.
Yeah, swap meets and stuff out here too.
You know, because he was just on the news about his dynamite.
Goes into four-wheel drive quickly.
I'm feeling
Like this side by side over there.
in my side by side. I got the beautiful all the way up, so you know we got to motherfucking ride. I'm feeling laid back in my side by side. I got the music turned all the way up, so you know we got to motherfucking ride. I'm feeling laid.
Okay, if you made it this far in this video, I really appreciate you. I put a lot of work into making these videos happen, editing and things like that. And I really appreciate when people watch it. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers this year, and I'm getting pretty close. I'm still spending money on a YouTube channel. You see, I bought a new drone. I'm trying to organize a event this next week out on the dry lake bed here in Pahrump. We're going to do some drag racing out on the lake bed. Hopefully I get a bunch of people show up and it's awesome. I got a friend that's coming out with a high-speed drone. He's going to do some chase footage and things like that. So make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss the next one. It's going to be really good. Once again, thanks for watching.